Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox a Crivit open face helmet. This is one of those helmets that you can buy in Lidl stores. It comes in this pretty useful cardboard box. Actually, I needed a cheap helmet because sometimes I give a ride to co-worker or friend, and you can give a ride to wife, girlfriend, whoever, but it's mandatory for passengers and riders on bikes to wear a protective helmet. And I give them a ride on my scooter, mostly in urban area where I don't drive at high speed, so I need basic protection. And as you can see, this helmet has a nice glossy finish with visor. It has ear pads, and there is a small gap between ear pads and helmet, so it's pretty convenient if you wear glasses. There are some tags with more information about helmet and materials that are used for this helmet, and there are strap with quick release. Acoustic dumplings, I will tell you more about them later. It's most important that this helmet meets ECE 2205 standard. That means that is legal in European Union, and this is probably the best and the cheapest helmet that you can buy for that money. There is a manual. You can find information how to choose the right size for you. It comes in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large and extra large. There are more information how to remove ear pads, how to remove or replace the visor, how to install acoustic dumplings. The model is DS Urban 305. I tried to find more information about that. It's not made by Crivit. It's sold under Crivit's brand name, but as far as I could go, it's made by German company Delta Sport. So the ES probably stands for Delta Sport. From the tags on helmet, you can find about technologies and materials used, Coolmax, Crivit, and so on. And there are two acoustic dumplings that are useful to reduce noise, especially when you are driving at a higher speed. And this is how those acoustic dumplings looks like, and they are pretty easy to install. Just need to place them in the hole between ear pads and the helmet and press. That's it. You can remove them easily. Okay, maybe I have a problem to remove them because I'm trying to do that with only one hand, and I'm holding my phone with another. That's it. And this is the sticker at the back side of the helmet that shows that it meets ECE 2205 standard. That means that this helmet is legal in the whole European Union. The size is L, which means 59 to 60 centimeters in head circumference, and the weight of this helmet is 1100 grams, approximately, plus minus 50 grams.